Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix packet loss, hyping and lag spikes in DayZ. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I will show you easier ways, then I will go to harder ones, but don't worry, these harder ways is not too hard at all. What you need to do here first is to open up Test Manager, and then on Test Manager, go to the Performance, press on the three dots, Resource Monitor, and then go to Network and close every basically task that you don't use while you play the game and that uses your internet data. And then look if you have better connection, better network issues or not. Then what you need to do here is to open up a browser. Then you just need to write Steam server status and then look if the servers is not down on your particular region. If it's down, you just need to wait, and if it's working, then we can proceed with other steps. And other thing that you need to do here is to go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you good internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe limit some devices and restart your router. And if there is a possibility, always use Ethernet cable. Then what you need to do here, you just need to open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. And here you need to put a few commands. So first one is ipconfig/flush DNS. And another command is nesh winsock reset. And then you can close this, go to settings, then go to network and internet. Here, advanced network settings, network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. If you're using Ethernet cable, don't worry, you don't need to do here nothing. And also look for your, if you have VPN, make sure VPN is disabled as well. Then you can close this, go to control panel, then press on network and sharing center, then select change adapter settings, right click on Ethernet, go to properties, double click on Internet Protocol version 4, select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. Restart your computer, apply the changes and restart your computer. Next thing what you need to do here, you just need to write run. Then here you need to write gpedit.msc, and then on this new window here, you need to go to Windows Settings, right click on Policy-Based QoS, select Advanced QoS Settings, select DSCP Marking Override, and then make sure Control DSCP Marking Requests from Applications and Services is enabled, and then select Ignored. Press OK. Then right click again, create new policy, write DayZ here, make sure to write unspecified DCP value 46, then press Next. Select only applications with this executable name, then go to Steam, right click on DayZ, Properties, Installed Files, Browse. And then here you should find exe file. If you don't see exe file, don't worry, you just need to press View, Show, and then File Name Extensions. And then this will be the exe file that you need. So you just need to rename it and copy the name, right? And then what you need to do here is to go to gpedit, paste the name, exe, write.exe, next, select any source IP address, any destination IP address, next, then select TCP and UDP here and press finish. And then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then go back to that particular folder, browse, copy the path. Then what you need to do here is to go to Windows Defender Firewall, then allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, change settings, allow another app, browse, and then paste the path, and then add exe file here. If you're getting this message, don't worry, this means DayZ exe is already added, and then you can add all the files here, DayZB exe, then you can add a DayZ diag 64 as well, and or add all the exe files as well, the DayZ launcher, and add it, right? And then what you need to do here is to go to virus and threat protection, and on virus and threat protection, select virus threat protection, manage settings, scroll down, exclusions, and then you just need to press add exclusion folder. Then paste the path that we copied and press enter, select folder. And then restart your computer, look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then I highly advise you to use exit lag. If you don't know what exit lag is, simply your internet provider do not connect to the nearest server when you play the game, and for that it can be higher ping, packet loss, and more. But with exit lag enabled, you will connect with the nearest server and with the best connection possible. When I had a not too good internet, I always use this while I play CS2 and Apex Legends, and it helped me a lot, and I suggest you to use it too. It has 72 hours free trial, and the best part of it, you don't need to put any of the credit card details to enjoy free trial. So test it out and look if it's working for you or not. If it's not working, then you can uninstall from your computer. So click the link in the description below and get it now through me, and I get small commission. And how you can set up everything here, you just need to write on search DayZ. Then you just need to select choose region, select automatic, select your region, apply routes, and then play the game and enjoy without a lag. So test it out. Just when you click my link, it will be payment methods. Do not put any of the payment methods. Just on the bottom will be create account, then log into that particular account, and then on the left side will be download client, and you will enjoy client without any credit card details. And if you will enjoy exit lag, you can, with my link, you can buy with 50% off. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.